Hey guys, welcome back to
Our YouTube channel.
man. We're super duper happy and we want to do the
Unboxing of our baby stuff.
Yep. Let me off this fan in case it's actually too it's too noisy. Yeah, because this fan is actually noisy. For the whole area might be hot, but I'm already hot because before filming this video, I was changing Beverly's coat and she was struggling with me. It wasn't a small something. I was sweating. This is actually not the clothes I wore, right? This was not. I was sweating all over because there was no light. So let's unbox it. And, okay. The package had already been opened in Lagos. We even print something. Okay, don't worry. It had already been opened in Lagos, so we just look at it. Baby, look at your glove in there. Okay, let's shift this thing here so it's be here. Are they seeing it? So sweet.
What is this one? For hair.
Want to go here a hairband. It's gonna be good for her hair because some of her hair at the back used to come out. Big. No, don't eat that thing. Okay, so the first thing we have some beautiful shoes. Wow, this is beautiful. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Yeah. Sweetie pie, look at your shoe. Give it to her. Let me bring the second leg of that one. Okay, let's keep it first. Let's bring the one that has two legs. Okay. Another pin. This is beautiful.
Another one.
Oh, this is fine. Some good pin.
Another one.
Wow! Look at that. It's an head pin. Oh, so you have 4
Hair pin.
4 different hair pins.
One fell off.
Don't worry. Okay, so let's. Okay, I wish show them the shoe.
The remaining one.
This is the shoe. Oopsie. This is the shoe. It's beautiful, and she has something like this, yeah. And
But actually, this one has a bone in the back.
yeah, and this is a different size.
And
She had this is a slip on. Yep.
clothes.
Okay, cool. Sweetie pie. That's hose, I think. Okay, yeah, that's hose. And
Yay!
well, this is gonna be super great for her height, right? Yes, this is gonna be good for your height right now. Yeah, your height.
She has
It's long.
a feeding bottle.
Feeding bottle. I don't know if it's okay. We're going to know what that is useful. That is going to be useful. Okay, look at the whoopsie. Look at these. Sweetie pie, look at your dress. Huh? Sweet, sweet, look at your dress. Sweet, sweet. My baby. My bubble. Look at this. Okay. This is beautiful.
Beautiful.
This
Fantastic.
is
Oh,
a
someone has a trouser.
yeah, this is a sweat. You go call it sweatsuit. We call it sweater. And it has a trouser. It's fine.
Look at this.
Oh, okay. This is gonna size that like right now.
This one is for later.
Yeah, this is going to be for. Oh no, it's gonna be for later, but it's just like an overall. Sweet, sweet. Look at this. This is
Oh, finally.
Oh, okay. So I was beginning to think that the shoe is missing because anything can happen in Lagos. Anything, oh my dear brother and sister. This is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
This is for now.
This is for now.
For outing.
Yeah.
And another.
Whoopee, whoopee.
This one is white.
Yeah, this is fine.
And this is blue.
Yeah.
I love the blue one and white, but all is beautiful.
Yeah. Sweet pie, look at your clothes. You're gonna be wearing it. You have to start walking, okay? So that when you wear them, they're gonna look good and beautiful and snatched
Whoa.
on you, okay?
Look at this.
Okay, look at this gown. This gown is gonna be for later.
And this is host. It's trouser
No, it's an host.
for later.
No, it's for me.
Eh?
It's long. Look at it now. Let me see.
But it's too short for you.
It's not short, look at it. Even said it can even go taller.
It's stretchy.
Oopsie. This is gonna be for me.
Whoa.
This clothes is looking like this one you're wearing. I mean,
Yes.
it's looking like this one you're wearing. This is fine, and it has a button at the back. Does your own? Okay, your own have button at the front.
This for now.
Yeah, this is going to be for now. There are plenty clothes that is for now. I love the clothes says I love milk, and
Baby says I love milk too.
so sweet. You love milk? Okay, bring another one.
For now.
Yeah, this is for now.
Because she's actually big.
Yep.
She's a big girl, not small, a small girl.
Yeah, she's a big girl. You're a big girl, baby. Alright? She said right.
This is beautiful.
This is going to be when she starts working.
It's
Right.
not going to size her when she starts working.
I don't know, but it's gonna be like 1 year and 6 months, thereabouts. It's beautiful. It's really nice.
Oh, this one says, I will change the world.
Hey, hey! My baby is gonna change the world. Sweet, take. Sweet, take. You wanna change the world? You're gonna change the world, my baby girl. You're gonna change the world. Anyhow, even if it's a little, she's gonna do it. Matt, let me see. Oh, this horse is beautiful.
Two hosts.
Yeah, this is golden
And this is pink.
and that is pink. I think she has 2 pink. Man, I have to put on the fan. This place is so big. Okay, so what's the last thing in the box? In the box.
The jeans gown.
The jeans gown. beautiful, 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 beautiful. So that is all in the box. Yappy
And
and
beautiful.
and we say thank you very much, Sister IJ, for giving my baby
All these wonderful stuffs.
Yep, yeah. Do you love your stuff? It's not for
She
eating.
said yes.
It is not for eating. Take this one. Take it. Take it.
All the goodies.
They'll give her toy now. She don't want to collect. She wants to eat. Want to eat shoe. If you want to eat socks, take this one. She said, no, don't give me that. Sissy baby.
Sissy baby. Sissy baby.
Sissy baby. Sissy baby. Sissy baby. Sissy baby. She's like, hello, what is happening here?
Plenty stuff.
Yeah.
Wow.
She got some good stuff.
Wow.
And yeah, she got some clothes. Yeah. And for this one, I don't know what this is. I don't know what. Okay, yeah, it's actually a little container. Yeah. In case we want to go out, we just put her milk inside here instead of putting it in that.
Small.
Yeah, instead of putting it in
So
that.
fancy.
Yeah, it's of different colors, different colors.
Wow. So beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
So beautiful.
Okay, like this one is good enough. No, it's just to this one.
Nice. This cutter was looking very small. Wow.
You said?
I said the cutter was looking small. For what is the size?
He's big. He's huge.
Wow. Wow.
Let me see if this horse is for adults. Just like that one was for
Very beautiful.
adults. Yeah, it's beautiful.